Ground check complete. Raptor 21 clear to taxi.
Roger that. 21 proceeding to runway.
Tower, this is Heavy Lifter 1, ready for departure.
Cleared for takeoff runway 29er.
Dark Star formation, you are clear for low sweep.
Roger, cleared low sweep.
Falcon lead. Initiating climb sequence now.
Copy. Maintain tight formation. Sun glare advisory.
Roger. All elements in position.
This display is not for spectacle alone. It is a living demonstration of preparedness, deterrence, and
All teams, execute readiness protocol Alpha.
Ground reports green. Falcon flight, you are clear for maneuver.
All aircraft hold short runway 27, weather advisory in effect.
Roger that, holding short.
Ground, this is Mako 1. Systems check complete. Ready for taxi.
Copy. Mako 1 cleared to runway. Check completed. Loud and clear.
Affirmative. Falcon 1, you are clear for taxi.
Ground, you are clear to taxi.
Roger that. Viper 1 taking the active. Weapons hot. All aircraft hold short of Charlie.
Dark Sword formation, taking runway 29er.
Cleared for takeoff. Wind shear advisory active.
Raptor 1, you are clear on present heading. Confirming airspace remains secure.
Roger. Maintaining vector.
Aegis flight approaching waypoint 3.
Acknowledged. Maintaining separation for inbound heavy.
All aircraft runway 27 is clear for immediate departure.
Roger that. Taking the active.
Flight of 3, maintain tight formation. Observe the drone path.
Confirm green. Engaging burner now.
Vector 250. Maintain tight formation.
Arrowhead formation, maintaining Angels 20, proceeding to waypoint 3.
Clear to start engines, Raider 21.
Copy that. Starting engines now.
Command, this is Viper 01, requesting clearance for takeoff.
Roger that. Viper 01, you are cleared for immediate departure.
Vector change approved. Maintain tight formation.
Copy, transitioning to new vector now. Looking sharp. Ground check complete, all systems green.
Copy that. Proceeding to runway. Raptor formation, initiate takeoff sequence.
Solid copy, rolling now.
in a vast, sun-bleached out airfields assembles an unparalleled array.
Ground, this is 1-5. Final checks complete, ready for taxi.
1-5, roger. Follow the heavy traffic ahead. Maintain sequence.
Ground check complete, all systems green, you are clear for taxi. Copy, rolling when ready.
Ground, cockpit, systems check is green.
Roger, Viper 1, you are cleared to taxi.
Maintenance complete, ground crew confirms green status.
Roger, Falcon lead, cleared for takeoff on runway 27.
Falcon formation, maintain course 290.
Roger that, tower. Holding steady.
Ground check complete on heavy lifter, you are clear to taxi. Copy that, cleared for runway access, proceeding now.
Cleared for immediate takeoff, runway 27.
Maintain visual separation.
Falcon flight, runway 27, showcase sequence active.
Copy that, Falcon leader, cleared for takeoff.
Viper flight, you are clear for takeoff.
Copy that, tower. Engaging afterburners now. See you upstairs.
Raptor 1-1, cleared for immediate departure, runway 27.
Copy, rolling now.
All elements, execute maneuver Charlie, Angels 20.
Confirming execution.
Talon formation, you are clear for takeoff runway 27, wind 290 at 5.
Copy that. Proceeding with mission profile 1. All ground teams maintain secure frequencies.
Talon formation, you are clear for takeoff runway 27, wind 290 at 5.
Copy that. Proceeding with mission profile 1. All ground teams maintain secure frequencies.
Formation flight is green across the board.
Excellent. All units hold the pattern until further notice.
Vigilance Redux, proceed runway 27. Maintain tight formation.
Copy. 27, rolling now.
All teams report green status for the showcase maneuvers.
Acknowledged. Launch the next wave.
In a vast, sun-bleached airfield, the United States Air Force assembles an unparalleled...
How are the F-35s looking on the sweep?
Right on target, sir. Airspace remains secure.